Hey, welcome back to CGR. Now today I am going to be doing a full review, unbox, setup, install, and on this Wolfbox mirror dash cam that I received actually directly from Wolfbox. So you guys know I am a small channel. I am just starting out. I basically make videos on things I purchase, so I wish I could have purchase more expensive items, but unfortunately we'll get there. And I actually reached out to these guys because if you're looking for a dash cam, and if you look on Amazon, eBay, Wolfbox comes out all the time. I've always wanted a mirror dash cam, especially because I do have a dash cam right now, but it doesn't have all the functions and everything that this camera has. It actually, the one I have, you have to connect to your phone to try to download the video. It's a lot of steps because it has a very tiny interface, like a little screen to try to do everything. And you can actually play video and review your footage here. If you ever got into an accident and you actually want to show the officer, proof, you got it right there. You could literally play it back right then and there. So you cannot beat that. This one is the Wolfbox. I forgot the model number. Give me 1 second. Here you go. It is the G850. It is, see, front 4K and rear 1080p. Now, I am going to be doing the review. They sent me this one out. They also sent me the hardwire kit. This is an additional purchase. I do recommend this for like parking mode. And basically what parking mode is most vehicles, when you turn the vehicle off, the camera will usually turn off after a period of time. But with this, it basically prevents the dash camera from draining the car battery. And it keeps recording. So if somebody dings your car, backs into it, you have footage of it. And they also sent, to me, this appears like an extension. I have not even opened this yet since I've received it. To me, that looks like an extension for the rear. So I thought this was just going to be a front, but I guess this is going to be a rear too, because you can see it says rear 1080p. And I'm guessing this is just like an extension cable, so make sure it reaches all the way to the back. I am going to be installing this on my 2019 Dodge Durango. So more on this in a little bit, because I could be wrong. I'm sorry guys at Wolfbox if I'm wrong and this just comes with the whole kit. But I'm going to unbox this. And once again, huge shout out to them, because I did do a lot of talking back and forth with them. And they did check out my channel and they gave me the chance. And once again, this camera, I would say is in a premium price. Premium price dash cameras are at least 200 and up. And once again, you get what you spend. You want to get a good dash camera, not a little $30 dash camera that can only handle a 16 gigabyte memory card. You don't want that. Trust me, get something that's worth it. It saved me before in car accidents. So let me unbox this. Okay, so off the bat, let's remove this. Nice. You can see this here. All right, take this off the packaging. Oh man, this is looking good. You can see that's how it looks. You got your cameras all protective. All right, got your connections. Looks like there's a memory card in there already. Let's see, let's check it out. Like I said, I haven't even checked this out yet. So it is, yep, comes with a 32 gigabyte memory card installed already. Awesome. So you can see, you got your GPS, your memory card. I would say this is probably like the microphone, or it could be for the rear camera, and your Type-C. Nice that they want. All these companies are finally starting to go to Type-C, no more micro. All right, put that to the side. Let's see what else do we have in here. Okay, so as you can tell, it is a rear camera. Awesome. This is good because then you have footage for if anybody rear ends you, anything. And you have your padding there, screws. This will go under here. Nice, nice. So yeah, that definitely looks like an extension. And I'm assuming the red cable, I have to look at it, but I've seen a few other dash cameras where you could use it as a reverse. So basically this would connect to the positive reverse. I gotta look at this manual, but this normally goes into the positive reverse and it will light up like if you had a reverse camera. So this is cool. Oh man, this steel is heavy. Yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. All right, awesome. Put that to the side there. You do get a pry tool, a cleaning cloth. Oh, okay, so it does come with the car charger. So this is an option if you, so I guess I was right. I guess they did send me those extra accessories. So shout out to Wolfbox on that. They did send me those extra accessories because if you did not just want to do, if you did not want to hardwire it, you could do the cigarette lighter. So honestly, hardwiring is better and I will show you why. And this looks like the GPS. Yep. Awesome. This is cool that it has GPS, and this is cool because on the GPS models, and it tells you to keep the camera, this GPS unit up. And got your 3M. So stick it to the window. So windshield, most likely. Cool. So that port did look like it was for the GPS. All right. And then we also have our, let's see. I'm gonna look at what's this. This is a bracket. I'm gonna say this could be a bracket for the rear view camera, but I'll check more into that. And we got two sets of straps. Some car mirrors are smaller than others. Basically, so you got the smaller one, you got the bigger one. So basically, remember, you're not removing your rear view mirror. You're basically just putting these straps like that. It depends on how tight you want it. And then this will wrap around your mirror and tightens up. And this is what basically holds the mirror dash cam up there. Cool. Put that to the side. And then we got our nice user manual. So you can see like what I meant. 4K in the front. It is GPS tracking. Always get a camera with GPS tracking because GPS tracking, it will show you kind of your longitude, latitude, but it also shows you your speed. So if you ever get pulled over and cop says you were going, 50 and a 30, you got your camera and it will actually display, most camera will display what speed you're going at. So it does have the parking monitor, like I told you. That's usually only available with the hard wiring, which we do have. Loop recording, so it'll basically just delete all your old files so you can just keep, you won't have to keep deleting it yourself as well. It says super night vision and G sensor, so shock, so if somebody ever rear ends you. Awesome. So everything included in there. Now I did want to show you guys the hard wiring kit. Well, look at this kit as well. This looks like an extension like I meant. Yeah, this definitely looks like an extension. Let's see, this is my rear view camera. Yeah, because as you can see, it connects on here. So this would connect in there as well. Okay, so it is an extension. I might actually have enough on a Durango. It might be enough with this, but good thing they sent me this out. So this is good. All right. And on our, so here we go with our hard wiring kit for parking mode. So you can see benefits are 24-hour monitoring, low voltage protecting. Basically that means is, I think about at 11.6 volts, it will just cut off. It won't drain your battery. So, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. Cool. Check this out. All right, let's see what else is in here. A manual. And I'm gonna be doing a full install on this. So, all right. Now, one thing I can tell you that I already like about this is on the other camera that I do own, it is a Viofold. They were about the same price range, and they had a hard wiring kit, but you actually had to have your own fuses already. So this is cool. Like, this is integrated in the fuse already, like ready to just install. So I don't have to go out to the store and buy more like I did with my Viofold. So as you can see, you got your Type C, and this will end up going to a ground on the vehicle. Yep. And everything looks the same. Yeah, see the red one for accessories, and yellow looks for battery positive. Awesome. So that I'll most likely be doing hard wiring install, because with the cigarette lighter, we're just going to be running it straight to a cigarette lighter, and that's it. So here is the install kit for that one. Yeah, so awesome. And I will show you guys how to get these leads on my vehicle, and it's going to be about the same to get it into any other vehicle. So cool. So they sent me all this stuff out, so this is nice. So here is the unit itself. It is, I believe, 12 inches long. Yep, that's 12. And then when I do an install, I will be showing you guys how to do it. And I'm assuming this will be a power button. Yep. I'm not sure if this runs on. No, okay, so it's completely dead at the moment. I don't want to remove the film on it, because then we're just going to get it all grease on it. And this basically rotates, so you can point it up, down, you can move it once you have it installed. Cool. Awesome. So once again, guys, this is going to be a part one. This is part one from the Wolfbox. I didn't want to make a huge video. There's about to be about 40 minutes long. So this is going to be part one on it. It is, I am going to show you why I think this is worth the price. I will show you guys clips, a video of me driving it on day and night, and show you settings on the camera. Show you, honestly, I think this is worth it. I'm going to look up in the manual how big of a SD card I can get on it, because I usually always go much bigger than 32. But awesome that you got the 32 gig installed already. I didn't know that came with it, and that comes with it already, so you don't need to go to the store and buy anything. As is the unit, you could literally just install it right now. So on part two, I will show you guys how to install this on the vehicle, and I will do the cigarette lighter, and then on that same video I will end up installing the hardwire kit. So I'll show you guys both options. I'll show you the cigarette lighter, and then I'll show you guys the hardwiring kit. And then we will see if we need the extension. I don't think we're going to need it, but I'm impressed with all this, with what Wolfbox is doing. I want to give them a shout out. Thank you for giving me this chance. I hope we could work on other projects. And like I said, yes, they did send me this unit out. This is a unit I've always wanted. But remember, guys, if I feel some way about it, I won't recommend it. But I'm just going to give you guys my honest review on it. So look out for part two. It should be probably within a few days of seeing this video. And then in part two, we'll get much in depth. So thank you guys, Wolfbox. With that being said, I'll see you guys on part two. See you guys later.